Hello everyone. Today we are going to start 5th chapter, arithmetic progressions. First of all, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference d between each consecutive term is constant. That is, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the preceding term. Let a be the first term. The next term is obtained by adding a constant number d to the first term. And the third term is obtained by adding a second term to the constant number d. Similarly, fourth one is obtained by adding a third term to the constant number d. So, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d is a general form of arithmetic progression. Here a is the first term and d is the common difference. Common difference is obtained by subtracting the preceding term from the previous term. That is, d equals to a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3, and up to so on. Exercise 5.1. First question, in which of the following situations does the list of the numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? First part, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Now for the first kilometer, it charges rupees 15. So the first term is rupees 15 and the fixed number is rupees 8. For the additional charge, taxi charges rupees 8. For the first kilometer, taxi charges is fixed, that is rupees 15. For the second kilometer, taxi charges is 8 rupees more than the previous one, that is 15 plus 8 equals to 23 rupees. For the third kilometer, taxi charges is 23 plus 8, that is 8 rupees extra to the previous one, equals to 31 rupees. So 15, 23, 31 up to so on is the sequence for the taxi charges. This sequence resembles to the general form of arithmetic progression because each progressive term is obtained by adding a common difference d to the previous term. So this situation makes an arithmetic progression. Second part, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Let V be the volume of air present in the given cylinder. Then after removing 1/4 of the air from the cylinder, we will left with 3/4 part of the volume. That is, given volume minus 1/4 of the volume equals to 3/4 V. Now in the cylinder we have 3/4 volume of the air. Then again removing 1/4 part of the air from the cylinder, we have removing 1/4 of the air from the cylinder, we have 3V/4 minus 3/16V. That is equals to, after taking LCM, we have 16 is the LCM, 12V minus 3V equals to 9V/16. So initially we have V volume present in the given cylinder. After removing 1/4 from this cylinder, we have 3/4 of the volume. Then again removing 1/4 of the volume from this cylinder, we have 9V/16 up to so on. Now to check whether this forms an AP or not, find the common difference. If the difference is same, so it's an AP, otherwise not. Now A2 minus A1 is 3/4V minus V. That is 3/4 minus 1 into V equals to 3 minus 4/4 into V equals to minus V/4, and A3 minus A2 equals to 9/16V minus 3/4V. That is, after taking LCM, 12/16 V minus 3/4 16v. Here the difference is not same. In the first one we get difference equals to minus v upon 4. In the second one we get difference equals to minus 3 upon 16v. So this is not a AP. This is not an AP sequence because it doesn't have a common difference between them. Third part, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for the every subsequent meter. Here it's clearly visible that for the first meter it charges rupees 150 and for the subsequent meters it charges rupees 50. That is, for the first one it charges rupees 150. For the next turn it may charges 150 plus 50, that is 200. For the next it charges 200 plus 50, that is 250, and up to so on. It's clearly visible that it's an AP because each term is obtained by adding common difference t to the previous one. Fourth part, the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Since we know that amount equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 power n, where P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest and n is the number of years. In this question, P equals to 10,000 and R equals to 8%. So this is the amount received after first year, this is the amount received after second year, and this is the amount received after third year. Now to check whether it forms an AP or not, find the difference. If the difference between each term is same, then it forms AP, otherwise not. Now, the difference between second and the first term is given as 10,000 into 1 plus 8,100 into 8,100. Whereas the difference between third and the second term is 10,000 into 1 plus 8,100 square, 8,100. So, the difference is not same. Since the difference is not same, the given sequence is not an AP. Not an AP. Second question, write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference T are given as follows. First part, A equals to 10, D equals to 10. So, first term A1 equals to A, that is 10. Second term is obtained by adding the first term to the difference T. So, A1 equals to 10 and D equals to 10. So 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Third term is obtained by adding second term to the difference T. Similarly, fourth one is also obtained by adding the third term to the difference T. So third term equals to second term plus difference equals to 30. Fourth term equals to third term plus difference equals to 40. So the first four terms of the given AP are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Second part, A equals to minus 2, D equals to 0. Here first term equals to A, that is minus 2. Second term equals to A plus T, minus 2. Third term equals to A2 plus T, again minus 2. A4 equals to third term plus difference equals to minus 2. Here each term is minus 2 because the difference is 0. So after adding 0 to the each term we get minus 2. So these four are the first four terms of the AP whose A equals to minus 2 and the difference is 0. Third part, A equals to 4, D equals to minus 3. Here the first term is 4. Second term is obtained by adding the first term to the common difference D. So second term equals to 4 plus minus 3 plus minus minus 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Third term equals to second term plus difference. So 1 plus minus 3 is the difference. Plus minus minus 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. Fourth term equals to third term plus difference. That is minus 2 plus minus 3 is the difference. Plus minus minus. So now minus minus is plus. So after adding these two terms we have minus 5. This is our fourth term. So 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5 are the first four terms of the given AP where A is 4 and D equals to minus 3. Fourth part, A equals to minus 1, D equals to 1 upon 2. So the first term is minus 1, Second term equals to the first term plus difference. After taking LCM, we have A2 equals to minus 1 upon 2. Third term equals to second term plus difference. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 0. Fourth term equals to third term plus D. That is 0 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2, 0 and 1 upon 2 are the first four terms of the given AP. Fifth part, A equals to minus 1.25, D equals to minus 0.25. Here the first term is minus 1.25 and second term equals to the first term plus the difference. So minus 1.25 plus difference is minus 0.25 plus minus. Now after adding these two terms we have minus 1.50 our second term. Third term equals to second term plus difference. So after adding we have minus 1.75. Fourth term equals to third term plus difference. Minus is plus, so after adding these two terms we get minus 2.00 our fourth term. So these four are the first four terms of the given AP. Question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So first part is 3, 1, minus 3 and episode. Here the first term equals to 3 and the common difference is obtained by subtracting any two consecutive terms. So here D equals to second term minus first term, that is minus 2. So first term is 3 and the difference is minus 2. Similarly in the second part, A equals to minus 5 and D equals to minus 1 minus first term. So after subtracting we have minus 1 as it is, minus plus 5, minus plus minus. So after subtracting these two terms we have 4. So here first term is minus 5 and common difference is 4. Now in the third part, first term is 1 upon 3 and the common difference is 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. 3 is common. Now 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So here difference is 4 upon 3 and the first term is 1 upon 3. In the fourth part, first term is 0.6 and that common difference is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Fourth question, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference T and write 3 more terms. First part, 2, 4, 8, 16 and up to so on. To check whether the given sequence forms an AP or not, find the difference between each consecutive term. If the difference is same, then they form an AP, otherwise not. So here difference between each term, A2 minus A1 equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2, A3 minus A2 equals to third term 8, second term 4, 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So the difference between the first two consecutive terms is not same, so they doesn't form an AP. It's not an AP. Now in the second part, A2 minus A1 equals to 1.2, A3 minus A2 also equals to 1.2 and A4 minus A3 equals to 1.2. So given list of numbers form an AP with the common difference T equals to 1.2. Now next three terms are given here. Fifth term equals to fourth term plus D, that is 4. Sixth term equals to fifth term plus D. Fifth term is 4. 4 plus 1.2 equals to 9 upon 2 after taking LCM. Seventh term equals to A6 plus D. Sixth one is 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 plus 1.2 equals to 5. In the third part, A2 minus A1 equals to minus 2. A3 minus A2 equals to minus 2 and A4 minus A3 equals to minus 2. Here the difference between each consecutive term is same, that is D equals to minus 2, so it forms an AP. In the fourth part, A2 minus A1 equals to 4, A3 minus A2 equals to 4 and A4 minus A3 equals to 4, so it forms an AP with common difference D. And the next three terms are A5 equals to Fourth term, that is 2, plus difference equals to 6. Sixth term equals to fourth term plus difference, that is 10. And the seventh term equals to sixth term plus difference 4, 14. So 6, 10, 14 are the next 3 consecutive terms of the given AP. In the fifth part, A2 minus A1 equals to, A2 is 3 plus root 2 and A1 is 3. 3 minus 3 equals to 0 plus root 2 as it is. So A2 minus A1 equals to root 2 and A3 minus A2 equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2. 3 plus root 2, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus plus minus 3 minus plus minus. Now 3 minus 3 equals to 0 and 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 equals to root 2. Again A4 minus A3 equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus third term, that is 3 plus root 2. Minus plus minus minus plus minus. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Plus minus minus, after subtracting 3 root 2 and 2 root 2 we have plus root 2. That is, after subtracting the each consecutive terms we get a common difference d. So it forms an AP. It forms an AP with d equals to root 2. So the next consecutive terms are A5 equals to A4 plus d, A6 equals to A5 plus d, and A7 equals to A6 plus d. A5, A4 plus d, A4 equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus difference is root 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 root 2. A5 plus d. A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus d. 3 as it is. 4 plus 1, 5 root 2. And A7 equals to A6 plus difference d. 3 plus 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the next 3 terms of the given AP. In the sixth part, A2 minus A1 equals to 0.02 and A3 minus A2 equals to 0.002. So it doesn't form an AP because the difference between each consecutive term is not same. In the seventh part, A2 minus A1 equals to minus 4, A3 minus A2 equals to minus minus plus. So minus 8 plus 4 equals to minus 4. A4 minus A3 equals to minus 12 minus minus 8. That is minus 12 plus 8 equals to minus 4. Here the difference between each term is same, so it forms an AP. It forms an AP with common difference t equals to minus 4. So the next terms are A5 equals to A4 plus t. A4 equals to minus 12 plus d equals to minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4 equals to minus 16. So A6 equals to A5 plus difference d. Minus 16 minus 4 equals to minus 20. Now A7 equals to A6 plus d, that is minus 24. In the eighth part, A2 minus A1 equals to minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus minus plus. Now minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 0. Similarly, A3 minus A2 also equals to A4 minus A3, that is minus 1 upon 2 minus minus 1 upon 2 equals to 0. So here difference equals to 0. It forms an AP. Now fifth term equals to fourth one plus t, that is minus 1.2 plus 0 equals to minus 1.2. Similarly, sixth and the seventh term also equals to minus 1.2 because difference is 0. In the ninth part, a2 minus a1 equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2, and a3 minus a2 equals to 9 minus 3, that is 6. Here a2 minus a1 is not same, so it's not an AP. And 10th one is a, 2a, 3a, 4a and up to so on. Here a2 minus a1 equals to 2a minus a, 2 minus 1, 1. a3 minus a2 equals to 3a minus 2a, that is 1a. a4 minus a3 equals to 4a minus 3a, that is 1a. Here difference between each term is same, so it's an AP. With the next three terms, a5 equals to a4 plus t. a4 is 4a plus difference is a. So 4 plus 1, 5a. Next a6 equals to a5 plus t, that is 6a, and a7 equals to a, 6a plus a, that is 7a. So these are the next three terms of the given AP. In the 11th part, a2 minus a1 is a square minus a. After taking a common, we have a minus 1. Now a3 minus a2 equals to a cube minus a square. Here a square is common, so after taking a square from a cube, we left with a minus 1. So a2 minus a1 is not equals to a3 minus a2, so it's not an AP. In the 12th part, a2 minus a1 equals to root 2, a3 minus a2 equals to root 2, and a4 minus a3 also equals to root 2. So it forms an AP. Now next three terms, a5 equals to fourth term plus t. Fourth term is root 32 and difference is root 2. Since root 32 also equals to 4 root 2, so we have 4 root 2 plus root 2, 5 root 2. This is our fifth term. Now sixth term equals to fifth term plus difference, 5 plus 1, 6 root 2. And seventh term equals to sixth one plus difference, that is 7 root 2. Since we know that 5 can be written as 5 square and root, because square and root cancel out each other, so it will become 5 again. So now root as it is, 5 square 25. We can write 5 as root 25. Similarly, 6 equals to root 36 and 7 equals to root 49. So root 2 can be written as root 25 into root 2. 6 root 2 can be written as root 36 into root 2. And 7 root 2 can be written as root 49 into root 2. Now after multiplying root 25 by root 2, we have root 50. Root 36 multiplied by root 2, we have root 72. And root 49 multiplied by root 2, we have root 98. So root 50, root 72 and root 98 are our next three terms. In the 13th part, a2 minus a1 equals to root 6 minus root 3, and a3 minus a2 equals to root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 equals to 3, root 6 as it is. So here a2 minus a1 not equals to a3 minus a2. So given sequence is not an AP because it doesn't have a common difference between each term. In the 14th part, a2 minus a1 equals to A2 is 3 square and A1 is 1 square. That is 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 8. A3 minus A2 equals to 5 square minus 3 square, that is 25, minus 9 equals to 16. So it's not an AP because it doesn't have common difference. In the last part, A2 minus A1 equals to 5 square minus 1 square, 5, 25, minus 1, that is 24. And A3 minus A2 equals to 7 square minus 5 square, that is 49, minus 25, that's also equals to 24. And A4 minus A3 equals to 73 minus 7, 49, and it's equals to 24. So it forms an AP with common difference D equals to 24. Next, fifth term equals to fourth term plus difference, that is 97. Sixth term equals to fifth one plus 24, that is 121, equals to 11 square. Seventh term equals to sixth one plus 24, that is 145. So these are the next three terms of the given AP.